my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I am going to be creating a Copper Queen makeup look based off the products from the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Copper Queen. If you've been around for any length of time, you guys know the drill of doing the corresponding makeup look with the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box theme. So this box that I recently unboxed was Copper Queen. Using the products that were included in that box, this is what the look looks like, and I'm really excited with how it turned out. I wish my lashes were a little bit better, but this box didn't include any mascara, but I tried a new lash primer that I'm not super impressed with, so that's where the downfall went there. So I feel like that really ruins the look a bit, but other than that, I'm really happy with how this look turned out. So let's go ahead and get into the video. If you'd like to see how I created this Copper Queen makeup look using the products from the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Copper Queen box, then go ahead and just keep watching. Let me first just start off by saying I really hope that this is in focus, because for some reason I've had a hard time getting this lens to focus. It's really hard to get a lens to focus by yourself because I have to like adjust so that I'm in focus, and then I have to move it close to me so that I can reach it to put it in focus. But then when I move back away from the camera to where I want to be in position in the frame, that changes the focus and it's a whole mess. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this Copper Queen makeup tutorial. I did something a little bit different this time. I went ahead and did my primer and foundation first, not in the video. I just felt like it'd be quicker. And I have some new products that I'm going to be using in this tutorial that are going to be taking longer. Not longer, but just extra steps, I guess, that I want to do. And also, I've been filming a lot of makeup tutorials lately just because that's what I really enjoyed filming, and trying different looks. It's been kind of repetitive because I'm trying to use up as much makeup as I possibly can. In fact, I can't tell you the last time I bought makeup except for one item that I'm going to show you today. It's because I ran out of it, and it's the kind of product that I don't stock up on or really receive in subscription boxes at all. That's the only thing I bought, and like, I can't tell you when, because with my surgeries coming up in a few months, being in halo traction, I won't be able to wear makeup. I'm trying to use up as much as I possibly can. I don't want this to be too repetitive and showing the same thing all the time, but I will share with you the products I used if you're new. First, I used the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better primer, and this is oil free. It's a makeup gripping base. I've been having oily skin. My acne was doing so well, but now it's flaring up again, so I don't really know what's going on. Like I said, it was doing so well, but now it's angry again, so I just never really know. It's a constant battle. But foundation, I used the It Cosmetics CC Cream, and I'm in the shade Light. Those are the first two products that I use. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of this look. Next, I'm going to use my powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder, and I use the shade Translucent. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my Essence I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow base. I'm almost out of this stuff, so I'll be switching to another eye primer. I'll check my collection to see if I have a different one or if I need to purchase one, because again, this isn't really a product that I really stock up on or receive frequently in subscription services. I'll have to check the inventory. Next, I'm going to use bronzer, and this is the Bahama Mama Bronzer by the Balm. Again, just another product that I'm trying so desperately to use up. Bronzer is a product that every time I wear makeup, I wear bronzer. It's just, I can't seem to get rid of this bronzer. I've used it for so long. I absolutely love it, which is why I keep using it. It's just, it never goes away. It's just, there's an endless amount of product, it seems like. So I am ready to try something new, but here we are, still using this bronzer. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I used the Koki Professional Brow Gel, and I thought I had another brow gel, but I can't seem to find it. I should have spent more time digging up my collection before I started this video. So we're just going to do without that today, unfortunately, but I'm still going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. feel like I'm skipping all around today, doing my eyebrows and then my eyeshadow primer, and I'm going back to the core face product. But I like to do that sometimes, kind of switch it up so it's not the same thing all the time. So next I'm going to apply blush, and I'm so excited. If you guys missed the unboxing, which I'm sure you did because most of you did anyways, those don't really get a lot of views compared to these tutorials, which is fine. I understand, but I still enjoy doing them, which is why I do them. If you missed that video, I definitely recommend checking that one out in particular because I got so excited about this blush, and you can hear my whole spiel about it in the video. It's basically because it's a blush that's not too pink toned and red toned. It's more like just a nude blush, which I'm really excited about because that's why I don't wear blush, is because I wear a lot of pink, and I feel like a light pink blush or like a mauve pink blush is just too much pink when I'm wearing pink. I don't know. I'm really excited to try this out on my face. This was a product that was in the Copper Queen Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. We're finally getting into those products, you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed with this blush. I don't know if they still have it though, because in the unboxing I had a hard time finding a link to this product, so I'll see if I can find one. I really hope so, because it is my favorite blush that I own, and I think it's going to be the blush that gets me back or start wearing blush, because I never wear it. Like, I don't wear it because it's too pink or too... I just haven't found a tone that I like. That's why, but this is my blush. You better know that I am going to hit pan on this blush. I will try so hard to see if I can find a link to this. Like I said, I don't know if they have it anymore, but this is by the brand Per Se. This is the Per Se Professional Fresh Minerals Sheer Glow Blush in the shade Cinerose 501. What I love about this makeup is it's made in the USA, so you can't get much better than that. I love this blush. I feel like the shadows in this video aren't really doing it justice, but I promise you this blush is gorgeous. I'm completely obsessed with this blush. Now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I have a liquid eyeshadow that came in the Sweet Sparkle Copper Queen box, but before we get into that shadow, I'm going to use a palette first because this is a lid color. So I want to use the palette first, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly eyeshadow palette. And obviously this didn't come in the Sweet Sparkle Copper Queen box. This palette is also discontinued, so I'm just clearly not helpful today. But I figured these had some beautiful, more copper toned eyeshadows that would go well with this liquid eyeshadow, so I figured it was the perfect palette to pair it with for this look. Again, unfortunately it is discontinued. Perhaps you can find it on eBay or something, but of course when you buy big name brands like that on websites like eBay, you don't actually know if it's legit. So just keep that in mind. I wouldn't recommend it, but if you're absolutely desperate for that palette, maybe you could find it there, but no guarantees it's legit. So I'm going to be using the shades Extra Creamy, Peanut Butter, and Nuts About You. Those are the shades that I am going to be using in this palette. Another day where my hair looks like absolute garbage. Need to get it cut so desperately, and salons need to open like stat, because I'll be the first one there. I had to move the camera because the lighting changed a bit in here, so sorry for the angle change. But the next product that is really going to make this Copper Queen look is this liquid eyeshadow. This product is another product that was included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Copper Queen box, and this is by Phase Zero Makeup, and it's a liquid eyeshadow in the shade AC01, also known as Shimmer. I've only ever worked with a liquid eyeshadow one other time, I believe, and it was in the Winter Wonder Glam tutorial based off the Winter Wonder Glam Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. To my knowledge, it went okay. When I swatched this though, in the video, it seemed really extremely pigmented and thick. What I'm going to do is use like a dot of this product and then blend it, and then I can always add more if I need to. The only thing that makes me nervous is because it's so thick, I'm just afraid to overdo it and mess up all of my eyeshadow, which I'll be really sad about because I love the way that this eyeshadow is looking so far. I'm very nervous, but let's just go ahead and do it. It's the perfect copper eyeshadow for this look. And you can go to the unboxing to see a better swatch of it. You'll see it on my eyes in a moment if all goes well. You guys would not notice, but I got interrupted, so I had to, it's a little while later now, and I had to put a pause on it. This eye look is stunning. I absolutely love the liquid eyeshadow. I didn't think I would, but it just really complements the look, and honestly, I didn't realize how perfectly this palette matches this look. So if you want to recreate this look and you have this palette, this is the one to create a Copper Queen makeup tutorial. That is awesome. You guys will see in the B-roll of the final look what the shadow fully looks like. It looks so good. I love it. I was really nervous, so I'm excited for this to turn out well. The next product that I'm going to use in this tutorial is my lash primer. You guys know my lashes do not curl, and I used up both my Benefit They're Real lash primer, full size and sample size that I had, so I had to repurchase another kind of lash primer because it's not a product that I receive in subscription boxes. And my lashes, like I said, do not curl, so you can't even tell I have mascara on if I don't use some sort of lash primer. And so I've been using the Benefit Cosmetic one for years, so I wanted to try something new, and I read that this had a lot of great reviews. I decided to try this one out, but I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I just feel like it's a little bit more clumpy. Benefit Cosmetics one is not clumpy at all in my opinion. It just applies a lot smoother than this one. This one is white, just so you know. It's supposed to be, obviously, once you put the mascara on, it doesn't stay white. I don't know, I'm just really surprised by the reviews and my reaction, because usually when something has good reviews, I usually like it, but still remain faithful to my Benefit Cosmetics one, so when I use this product up, I will go back to the Benefit Cosmetics They're Real Tinted Lash Primer. I don't even think I said what this one is, but this is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Base. Next, for mascara, I'm going to use the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. I just like the L'Oreal Lash Primer even more today. I feel like my lashes look really bad. It just make my mascara really clumpy. This mascara normally isn't clumpy, but primer makes it look really clumpy, so that is just a bummer. I'm sad. I don't even know if, to be honest, I will finish this. I bought it on Amazon. I already opened it, so I don't know if I can return it. But I just really don't like it. I feel like it wouldn't be, like, morally right for me to return it. I don't know. I don't like it. Benefit Cosmetics for the win. The last product in this tutorial that I'm going to use is by J.Cat Beauty, and this is the Flash Metal Metallic Lip. This was included in the Copper Queen Sweet Sparkle box, and of course this is the last product of the look, and I think this is what will really tie in the whole Copper Queen feel to the look. So you guys know I love finishing it off with a lip color. I really love how buildable this lip color is. At first I was like, oh, it's not as bold as I thought it would be for a look like this, but then I just built it up a little bit more, and I'm so impressed. In my biased opinion, I think that it definitely looks like a Copper Queen look. I'm really excited with how it turned out, and I'm sorry you had to look at my awful hair this whole video, but here is the final look of the Copper Queen makeup tutorial using the products that were included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Copper Queen. So that is it for this Copper Queen makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I wish my lashes were a little bit better. They're really messed up today. I don't know what's going on, but that was a bit of a bummer. Hopefully, next tutorial I will have some better products for my short and stubby lashes that don't curl. But other than that, I really am impressed with the product payoff of all the products that were included in this box. That blush gets me every time. I absolutely love it. It's going to be my new favorite blush. If you would like to create this Copper Queen makeup look along with me, all the links will be down in the description below to all the products I use. I will also have a link down in the description to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box if you'd like to subscribe. For real, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!